Hello, today in this video we will learn show modal pop-up window on page load using jQuery. So go to VS editor or code editor. After main content we write or create a modal HTML. Write div open and div close class modal div id to my model. Next one div is open and div is close. Class modal hyphen dialog. Next one div open and close. Right, class equal to modal content. Now one div for modal header. Div open and div close. Class equal to modal header. Next modal title h4 php4 tag for modal title and h4 tag close here. Now write class modal title. Next one button close button. Button open and button close. Write ampersand times button type equal to button class equal to close and data hyphen dismiss equal to modal. Now modal body here. Div open and div close. Write class equal to modal body. P tag open and P tag close. Write this is a modal pop-up window. Next div close and after modal body we write modal footer. Div open and div close. Write class modal footer button close. button open and button close, right close here, and type equal to button class equal to btn hyphen secondary data hyphen dismiss modal. Save. Now write jQuery when trigger modal after 5 seconds. Skip tag open and skip tag close. Write dollar document dot ready function set timeout function dollar colon has the modal ID my modal. Copy and paste here dot modal single quotation so and semicolon. Next comma 5000 millisecond equal to 5 seconds, semicolon and save. Go to browser and reload the web page. The pop-up window is open. Close and reload again. PC for take and click the close, then pop-up window is closed. This way you can show modal pop-up window on page load using jQuery. Thank you.